get this show on the road wherein I try and figure out how to make some open source software work. The open source software, in fact, that crashed my game last time. Hello, Amber Dragon. How's it going? Well, this is gonna be fun talking to two people. I also just realized my stream totally can't hear Squid Coder. Haha. I should maybe fix that. Oh, yes. Yes, you're right. Do this, ask to join the stream. Only supports Chrome and Firefox. Okay, hang on. I'm gonna have to open that in another window. Okay. In theory, people can hear who I'm talking to now. And then if I open up Firefox, which I don't want to make my primary browser. Thank you. And then I'll do that. Look at all this great setup stuff I should have done before the stream. I'm so good. I'm so good at this. What's my Twitch password? Who knows? That's what password managers are for. Anyway, chat, I'm sorry, I'm ignoring you, chat. How's it going?
And now I should be back.
You do seem to be back. Oh my goodness, authentication. What's my authentication app for this? I have too many authentication apps. That's not what we want. There we go. Yeah, music. There are far too many buttons to press right now. Okay. And now if I press that button. Oh my gosh, I can hear myself. Why?
Is it me? Here, say something after I mute.
Okay, wait. I have now managed to mute myself in the streaming together window.
Yes.
Okay. I see what's going on. I need to mute your stream. There we go. All right. I am slightly confused about how this works. There are too many buttons to press right now. Start shared chat. Okay, so does Stream Together essentially start a separate call? Is that how that works?
Kind of, but kinda. It's designed to be like the stream together if you're not doing the Discord VC, but it has the benefit of having a shared chat and shared viewership.
Okay. Okay, I think I have pressed all of the appropriate buttons. My god.
And then, did you turn on the shared chat? I think we have a shared chat now.
I think we have shared
Do
chat.
a quick,
Yes, there we go.
yeah, test. You can see my test message
Yeah,
on I sent you
alright.
mine.
I can see both chats now.
Sweet, and same
Fun.
here.
Okay, so I can close that window and close that window. So many things going on. Okay. Hello, other chat.
Okay, what did they want me to take a look at?
Okay. So now what am I doing? How do I run DF hack? I have got the code in a window somewhere. Let's put that over there. And let's put that over there. And now I guess I will learn how to contribute to DF hack. Here we go. I got the code.
I should make it say address.
Code format.
Got it.
Okay, that's a later problem. Okay, that's not what I want right now. I want building DF hack. Dependencies. Who needs dependencies? Do I have these
All the
things?
dependencies.
Maybe. We'll find out.
Next time on Dragon Ball Z.
Compilation windows. Okay, there are several different batch files. Along with the script.
Or you're using Visual Studio Code.
Is that going to be a problem? I think I have actual
It's a
Visual
little
Studio
easier.
on here.
It's a lot easier if you're using Visual Studio. That's what they're expecting on Windows. You can use
Oh.
Visual Studio Code if you know what you're doing, but Visual Studio is meant for C++ or C and such. This is...
I do not have Visual Studio on here, just code. Well, we're going to roll with that for today, and if it's horrible, then, you know, I can get not Visual Studio code.
Yeah.
There are several different batch files in the build folder along with a script. These are for picking up. Use the subfolder corresponding to the architecture that you want to build for. First run send DF and point the dialog that pops up at a suitable DF installation, which is of the appropriate version for the DF hack you are compiling. Thank you for being very friendly documentation. Is this going to... Is this going to benefit from a separate Dwarf Fortress installation that isn't just the Steam one?
It could, but I just YOLO with it and just do it directly on my main stuff because you can just use Steam to verify the integrity and just undo everything.
Oh, okay. I'm probably going to need to know where that's installed then.
You just browse local files on Dwarf Fortress. Eeny, meeny, miny, Stonesense. I have way too many tabs open. 45 last I checked.
I have so many tabs open, I have separate browsers to control all my tabs. It's a problem.
Nah, this is called dedication.
Sure, we can call it that.
The rookie numbers is what it is.
Remember dragging the tabs? They have tabs. Too many tabs. Yes, I know. There's too many tabs. But one of the browsers for tabs I have with you, so... Okay. I don't want that. I want... Browse local files. Ooh, okay. So now I know where that is.
Yep. And you're going to need to know where that is, too, for later.
Okay.
It's a surprise tool that'll help us later. This
Steam
button.
library, Steam
This
apps.
button.
Okay. So first run, set Dwarf Fortress path and point the dialogue. Okay, that was in... Okay, so the build folder. What in the world am I doing tonight? Tonight, I'm attempting to contribute to Stonesense. Do you remember on the last stream? We essentially put like the mini map in the corner, and it was like a sort of a 3D isometric rendering of what the fort looked like in 3 dimensions instead of just the top-down view. But then ultimately I tried to resize the window and then it crashed, and I guess that was sort of the end of the stream. But today we're working on that, like, the isometric view thing. But step 1 is get it to run. So everybody's getting a view into what very realistic software development of, okay, great. How do? I have inherited this code. What do I do with it?
I give them headaches. I should show you. I've been giving them a headache with the code because I made them look at it, and I fear I may have turned them to alcoholism.
Oh dear. Oh, I was gonna get alcohol for this stream. Oh well. Do that on the break.
I'm gonna DM you a picture and feel free to show it on screen.
Set DF path. Set DF path. Oh, this thing.
Alright, I sent it.
I double click that. Does that do something? What are you sending?
Oh,
What is this?
that's a visual. Oh yeah, it's a screenshot for those that I took like a while ago of watching them go through the code, like losing their mind.
Oh, I scrolled past this bit. Hang on. I scrolled past this bit in the chat the other day.
Yeah.
I'm like, what? So painful. It goes on and on like that. Oh, I did not register that this was a massive switch case. This is... wow.
Yeah.
Hey, you know, if it works...
It's so bad. The very beginning of this is like, Jesus Christ, this is in C++, this is C with classes.
Oof.
It's so bad. There's an entire branch that I've caused to be created called just D-Smell.
Wow. Oh, okay, let's close that. That's horrible. Okay, this is gonna... So this is a VBS script. What is... How do I run this? Can I run this?
It's Visual Basic. I don't know if you can. You should be able to.
It says run it. How do I run it? How do I run a VBS? How do I run dot...
Not through Visual Studio Code. It's like an executable.
There we go. Yes, how do I execute it? Or should I... Can I just, like, click on it? Or... Reveal in File Explorer. Can I just, like, double-click that? Oh! Browse for folder. Here we go.
Could be.
Y'all don't need to see my entire, file directory.
I mean, I'm so paranoid. My computer username is still Squidcoder.
Yeah, I haven't gotten around to doing that yet, so I'm not gonna show my entire directory here. F9. What does F9 do?
Both toll. It's both. Dang it! I opened Obsidian. No, but this is class.
Oh, this is fun.
What?
It's only showing me things on my C drive, but I have all my Steam stuff on my D drive.
Go to Steam, copy the path, and you can just paste it in as text. Wait. Yeah. All it's supposed to do is it's just gonna make a text file.
Well, okay. An object shell application.
Or not add that step
Okay.
there, Tolmera.
Oh, okay. Is it literally just creating the path in this folder?
You're gonna make a df path, df_path.txt file, all caps.
Yeah, is it just in this
I'm
folder
opening it
where
so I
the
can
script
tell
is?
in dfhack/build/win64. So yes.
Okay, I can do that.
And I'm gonna tell you what the contents are. Yeah.
Because I mean,
oh, I know I've got like literally 3 different code editors open.
I can do that. That's easy enough.
So studio code just popped up.
Right line.
Yeah, it's
file
literally
path.
just path.
Is it? Yeah. So it should literally just be writing that, I think.
So D drive. Yeah, the mine's program file is x86. Steam apps come and Dwarf Fortress.
Oh lol! It went
and then a new line.
It went and deleted the file on me. You're rude. You're rude.
Yeah.
There. Put it back. There. Rude script.
Oh, I didn't know my thing's still building. No wonder my computer is so slow.
Okay. We've done that part successfully, we think. Jeez.
Stop building. Just stop building. I want my computer back. Give it to me. A slave to the building. Yeah, reload all.
Okay, contains the full path to the destination directory. You could therefore also create this file. Oh, you could also create this file manual, copy and prepared version if you prefer. Wonderful. Run one of the scripts with a generate prefix.
You want generate GUI.
Please create the solution files. Oh, this is super not gonna work in VS Code, is it? I'm gonna have to actually install Studio.
I believe one of the dependencies is literally says install Visual Studio.
Fine. I'll install Visual Studio. Ah, so resistant.
Yep.
No, I don't. I just want Visual Studio. And community.
Now it does say some things in the contribution doc. I emphasize the words.
Documentation is just suggestions, right?
Let's see here. How to contribute to DF Hack.
Complete. Now we run the installer. Oh, and we're gonna see how that works with the stream. This could be dangerous territory. Well, it hasn't blown up yet. We're doing okay. Oh goodness.
Make sure you're on the latest docs, by the way, not the stable docs. Latest docs has my changes for specifically Windows.
Oh, these are the stable docs. How is it down here? Latest.
Click on stable.
Okay. Now to get the code. I've already got the code. Where was I? Windows.
Yep. Jump down to Visual Studio. Yep.
Great.
You're gonna want to do GUI. I mean, you
Hang
can
on,
still
I gotta
do the GUI part. It'll still make the solution.
I have to finish installing Visual Studio first. What is this asking me? Installation details. No, I don't want you to install any of these right now.
Let's see, prerequisites, because there are thingies. I think it's called dependencies. Yes, dependencies. You should look at dependencies.
No, I don't. I want to create a new folder. I want to create a new folder to save this in. There we go.
Did I ever send you the dependencies docs? Because that tells you specifically, yes, you do need Visual Studio, Sphinx, Python, Perl, CMake. I haven't run into needing Perl yet, but
Pull that back.
Had.
Trying to install things. Why can't I change those? That's rude. Fine. Visual Studio and blah, 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 blah. Needs to install additional components to create, open a new project. Yeah, fine. Add workloads. Okay, well this could be a thrilling stream of watch the loading bar.
I love
We're doing great.
Watch the loading bar.
It's the best kind of stream, right?
Yep. Being a programmer is so as it should be. It's akin to witchcraft, yeah. Good, they put my uinch32_T back. Why it was gone, I have no idea.
Chad has thoughts.
It feels like I'm really installing software.
Making progress, making progress. No, if I get I get this to build and run without crashing the stream, that will be enough progress for me.
Yeah, I honestly, I'm not gonna lie. I thought you were had this done already, which is nothing to say anything of you. It's just like a.
Oh no, I absolutely should have had it done already. I just the day got away from me.
Life happens.
Life happens.
Yeah, no.
It'll be a chatty stream while we watch progress bars.
Yep.
I don't want to sign in. Skip. Dark mode. Great. Let's start. Enjoying life?
Well,
yeah, sure.
And you didn't yell at me.
Enjoying life. I'm installing an IDE. I'm super enjoying. Okay, then we open a local file.
Well, I wouldn't know if I could say I'm a big fan of DF, but I am the maintaining contributor of Stonesense. So it's kind of my job.
Goodness. Okay. Okay.
DF windmill.
There's that. we're gonna close VS Code because now we have Visual Studio. Yay! I haven't looked at a Visual Studio in so long.
I use Visual Studio for doing the C++ code. Everything else I do in Visual Studio Code.
Royston, hi. How are things going? I haven't managed to catch one of your streams lately. How are things? We're working on Stonesense tonight, which is a plugin for DF Hack, which is a plugin for Dwarf Fortress. That just got really meta.
Well, it's a plugin for DF Hack, which is a modification API, kind of.
Didn't know you work on it?
It's like
I
CMod loader.
didn't before today. This is me starting. Sorry, Squid Coder, I cut you off.
I'm the one who's been working on it. No, you're good.
Yeah.
I'm the
yeah,
one who's
Squid.
been working on Stonesense.
I'm maybe, hopefully gonna help.
Hopefully.
Maybe, hopefully. Okay. Next run of... Okay. Oh, wait. I'm probably... Let's make sure it didn't delete my DF path. It totally did. That's okay. Because now we can run this. Right?
Hey, Light. Feels weird if people know me. This is weird. Like a good weird, but still weird. I'm not supposed to have celebrity status yet.
I don't know. Is it celebrity status if
Wait,
it's like 6 people?
Yeah. In the Dwarf Fortress community, that's huge. That's huge. It's called a cult following.
That's true. That's fair. Okay, so it deleted the text file on me again, which is fine. I want to run this script. How do I run a script in Visual Studio? Oh my god.
What do you mean run script? Where?
The set DF path script.
What step are you on?
I have been set back slightly to the
You should
run.
be able to open it up in File Explorer and double click it.
Oh my god, yes, that's how I did it before.
Like I just double clicked on it like
Lol.
it's an exe.
Oh right, and that was the same problem as before. My god, I'm doing great. I'm doing so well.
I genuinely forget what it brings up.
It brings up that file dialog that is actually not completely useful because it only lists things on my C drive. Which means I need to make the text file myself. Which is fine. It df path txt, which just needs to have that in it. I have too many windows open.
Yeah, this looks.
Okay, I've done that step.
Open, which means it's no longer too many.
Peak coder content. Absolutely.
They don't need to know.
What is Lazy Noob Pack? I've been playing Lazy Noob Pack since I was little.
That's an old back in the day. There used to be like mod packs for DF, kind of.
No, I remember that. I'm having a moment because back in the day I was distinctly not 11. Back in the day at the beginning of Dwarf Fortress.
Hey, Dwarf Fortress came out in 2000, or it's been in development.
2006, or that's somewhere in that vicinity anyway. Yeah, I was distinctly older than 11.
Working on it in 2002.
Jeff is older than Squid, probably.
No.
It's just
exiting
exiting high
is
school.
crazy. Why is my
I was
Dwarf
first
Fortress
introduced to
frozen?
Dwarf Fortress late high school because it was my first boyfriend that got me into Dwarf Fortress. Back when it was all keyboard controls and ASCII art.
Oh, there's my Dwarf Fortress. Yeah, it's actually a recent change. Hey, I realized why I moved chat. And, put it over there. I'm running out of room to put things on OBS.
Reaper, I was like 6, so I was big on my dinosaur arc. Okay, dinosaurs are the best thing ever when you're 6. They're the best thing ever just like anyway, but like, yes. Honestly, if computers didn't exist, I was going to be a paleontologist. Honestly, I still think about it sometimes. I have not got around to playing Ark yet. I have it. I installed it years ago. And I still have not played it. I should do that one day. Alright, sorry. Running scripts with the generate prefix, not talking to chat. The GUI one. Generate GUI. I run that. Yes.
On my
Come on.
stream, I have a timer, and it just says time wasted. I just have a timer I started at the beginning of the stream. Time wasted coding.
So much fun. Have you ever wanted a guy to go down?
Wow, it sure is chugging.
I could do a playing with viewers stream one day. That might be fun. Sorry, how do I actually run this? Run one of the scripts with the this creates the solution file.
Which one now?
The generate.
Oh yeah,
the generate GUI thing.
Generate GUI. Generate
Yeah.
GUI. Bat. Double click it. It's a batch file.
Yeah, I'm double clicking it and nothing's happening. Unless it's just happening so fast.
Well, it should be happening, and it's not, and that's bad. Well, no, it shouldn't be happening so fast. Does the file exist?
Let's see. It generates solution files. Where would I find solution files if they existed?
Tugging. They don't exist yet. That's what the generate
Okay.
is supposed to do. You would know. There'd be a folder right in there.
Okay. Well, I'm double clicking and it is not. It's not doing. Unless something's doing in the background and I've just started like 60 processes.
What if you right clicked it and is there a run button?
There's run as administrator.
Monitor, it might be hiding.
Ooh, hey, that does a thing. Oh, sorry guys.
I mean, that would work, maybe, theoretically. Huh.
Well, it, doesn't seem to have done anything. Marzo6, hi, howdy in chat. I can say words.
Wow, chat, look how slowly my DF is loading. Oh man, I got a bad computer, but not this bad.
Are you... Oh, you're chugging pretty hard. Oh my goodness. Feeling a little superior with the PC right now.
Yeah, look at that. It's been like... I
mean, I'm not... Sorry, with the gaming PC. Sorry. I'm bragging is what I'm doing.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm broke.
Yes, I want to run this. Regenerating, okay, that's not...
You're having errors I didn't even know were possible to have, is what I'm saying.
Well, the very
So
annoying
it
part
balances
is
out
that
with your
it's not even showing an error. This is software development. It works on my machine.
bragging. Well, it works on my machine. Yeah. Is it df_path? .txt?
Yeah, df_path.txt.
Watch it stream at like 160p. Yeah.
I have my text reasonably large for that reason. Yeah, df_path.txt. And it's got... Unless it doesn't like the space. I wonder if that's it. Hang on.
No, because mine's the exact same. Mine is the exact same.
Okay, well, never mind then. That was one thought. If I had a nickel for every time I heard it works on my machine, right? I would be so rich. Okay.
I might be able to pay off my 7th. Oh, hey, it loaded.
Okay, now...
Yeah, it looks alright. Yeah, looks pretty good.
How do I run this in a way where I can see the output? For the love of God, use a Docker container.
If you run it in Visual Studio, maybe if you ran it through Visual Studio, right-click it in Visual Studio and see if you can run it.
Does that work? Add open. Compare with. No, I want to run it. I don't want to add. Oh, why is running what's supposed to be a simple script the most difficult thing in the world?
Write a change log. I don't want to write a change log. I need to write a change log.
After running this, you will have a new folder called VC something or other. And then, okay, so I don't have that. Oh, you know what? Did I skip over some more very important prereqs again? I might have.
Maybe.
I maybe. I kind of thought I already had it, to be honest.
Did you skip over the entire dependencies?
Did I?
Make the world go round.
Dependencies. It needs dependencies. Yeah, I think
There's
actually
a whole
I did.
different article, not in compilation.
Oh god. Okay, where do I find that?
Look up the word dependent. Like skip the depend. Like if you just type in quick search, depend.
Oh. Build options, building, installing dependencies. That sounds promising. Dependencies. Okay, CMake.
You clicked the link before, I could see that.
Yep. Okay. So now how do I install CMake?
And there should be a section. I have no idea. I'm pretty sure it was one of the things when I was installing Windows, you could just do it there. Or not Windows, when you were installing Visual Studio.
Well.
If you go to... Not that.
Actually, yeah, that's a thought. Visual Studio,
Visual Studio, if you go to Tools, I think. I'm checking now. Yes, you want to go to
Tools?
Visual Studio and you want to click on the tools. No, like just in Visual Studio, there's a tools tab.
Yeah. No, not that one? Not the menu. Wait. Oh,
And then
wait.
you want to get tools and
Get tools and features.
get tools
Oh,
and features.
there we go. Okay.
Should be a
Sorry, I'm
C.
realizing you can hear what I'm saying, but you can't see what I'm doing until like 10 seconds
I
later.
can see some of what you're doing. It's just a little. It's only like 3 to 5 seconds.
Probably gonna need that. Do not want GitHub Copilot. Thank you.
Oh, what's a Docker container? I'm sure I triggered like a bunch of people right there. I actually don't fully understand what a Docker container is. I've heard of it. I don't know.
Oh, Docker is the bane of my existence this week. Apple decided it was malware yesterday, and I spent all of yesterday trying to convince Apple that Docker was not malware and then reinstall it properly.
I made a roguelike and Windows kept shooting it down as malware because it was just a Noitka packaged exe, which it just looks like very much like malware. So I was trying to share it with one of my friends, and Windows kept like killing it with fire. Like it would delete it out of the zip file.
To close the following process.
Blind leading the blind.
Oh my god, continue.
But you see, Tolmera, I'm the one with 7 pull requests open. One of them is trying to get merged right now. That's what I'm working on.
I'm only semi-blind. I do software development for a living. It's just Visual Studio and C++. I have not touched since school, which was a while back. I do.
Again, I forgot. I forgot.
I do like JavaScript and Python and Rust. Oh my god, that took too long to think of.
I have a Python library I released. Kind of good. I say kind of. It's decent enough. Does what it needs to do.
What does it do?
Translation, file management, and error handling, I believe. I forget. It's just called Squidlibs. It's on it's on the Python package installer. If you just look up Squidlibs, you actually find it.
Will that work? Oh my god, no.
What's I looking at? Doc. Things log.
I love it. You know, it's not worth it. It's not worth it. Almost installed.
What told me? It's not the delay. It's that I'm not looking at chat. Oh yeah, you gotta deal with my stream elements thing. Oh. Why is it over there?
This self-installation has an update available. That's great. We love to see it. Let's update it. Oh my lord. I'm sorry, computer. I'm sorry I'm making you run things and stream things and install things. I'm so sorry. The fan's going pretty hard. It's fine.
What could go wrong?
Run out of hard drive space. That's the thing I'm anticipating to go wrong at some point.
But that happens a lot. And Tomara, then refresh the page. Whoop.
Ooh. Hello, I'm having a hype train.
_wolf started a new hype train.
He's got like a bunch of gift subs.
Oh my lord. Hello, Bloody Wolf. Hi. The generous wolf of my pack has howled with delight, gifting 5 more subs and bringing their total to a whopping 71. Good my what words. Your support is the chocolate chip in our pixel art cookie, making the community sweeter and stronger. Keep howling, you're a legend. Wow, way to be cheesy, Frosty Duels. Incredible. Thank you so much, Bloody Wolf. Love a good hype train.
Mother now.
Oh no, I ruined the music. No, I didn't. It's just really quiet. Okay.
Let's see. Zoom increments much smoother now. Sure. Yeah, I changed logged it out. Yeah. I am a professional. Oh. I add that new line. Oh. Thanks for the sub, Reaper. God, it's Squid. It's Squid Man to you. No. It's Squiddy Boy to you, Captain.
Okay,
I feel like
well,
update
maybe
change log.txt is acceptable in this case.
close that. Close that. Close that. Okay, so we have CMake now.
One big things in Discord.
What else am I gonna need here? Visual Studio Pearl 5. Pearl 5? What is this? I should maybe have consulted that.
Apparently,
I can't install additional things while it's still installing things.
They're pushing a new release this Friday, apparently.
Oh, for which? DF hack?
The FX full release. Which means I'm only getting one of my pull request merged in. Alright, chat, I got ads starting in 20 seconds. Just letting y'all know.
What's sort of the cadence of releases for DF hack?
Great question. No one knows.
Fair enough. Also, was that overly corporate? The cadence of releases.
Nah.
Oh my, yes. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Visual Studio. You have installed things. How do I close this window? Oh my lord. Yes. You're doing so good. Close.
All right.
Okay.
It's a share chat, so it can read both of our chats. I'm not gonna stop for ads though. If I was playing a game, I would.
I feel like nobody's gonna miss much at the moment.
Nobody's missing much. Like, I just finished a pull request that's gonna get merged into Friday's release. Which, I mean, like, cool, we got the smoother one. I want more merged in. Like, I know I'm greedy, but...
Okay. Perl... does not seem to be an option. I got Python, I think. Oh. Out of support. Okay, that's fine. I know I have Python because I've done Python. Because I did that for Advent of Code. I have Git because I just used it. What is Ccache? Not something I can get through here. OpenGL, also not. And zlib, also not. Okay. We're done with those. with subs as contributors. That would be quite something.
No, my subs are I know what they mean, but like my subs are like we got silver, gold, and platinum members for the different tiers of sub, and then followers are copper members.
I could actually do something with my sub tiers. They're currently like nothing.
I have like
I
sub
gotta
only
get better.
channels.
I don't really know what I can offer people other than like ad-free viewing. But like I don't. There's got to be something.
Private Discord channels, and then stuff. You can apparently do like merch discounts. Like you can label that as like if you subscribe, you get like Discord access and merch discounts.
Okay, but then you have to make merch, and I don't know if you've ever had to make merch, but my God, no, I don't want to do that.
Patreon. I just have a Patreon, and I'll give like discounts maybe.
I've done merch. I don't wanna do merch again. All right, let's see if I can run this thing now. With? No.
I feel like we could merge all of these. We could totally do it. Come on, you cowards, merge my pull request. You're just scared. You're just scared of them.
Don't need that. I have too many things.
You want to do it.
This one.
It's so close. Because it moves things. The patch fix could be merged. This doesn't change anything. I need to change all my pull requests.
No, we're just okay. It's a batch file, so it should be able to just the Windows batch file.
EXs. Fixes.
Not exist. I feel like this just isn't running. This is like the... Well, this is not the dumbest thing I've ever Googled, but... I know how to do this with a command prompt. Okay, double clicking isn't doing anything. Run as administrator isn't doing anything. Why are you like this?
I'm fixing issue 69. Like actually. Damn, 7
nice.
Ads. Well, they must be really short ads. No, American just subscribe. Yeah, I don't want to ask anyone to like actually sub to me. Like, if you do, great. That actually helps a lot. But I don't necessarily. Oh, I actually reviewed patch fix.
All right. Well, it's my turn to run an ad break, so I'm going to take 5. Consult on how to run batch files, and finish eating my dinner that is sitting here next to me. Because I'm doing that well today. Okay. Everybody in my channel anyway, take 5. Alright, I'm back. I think I did not install CMake properly. I think is what happened.
Oh, I should have done it the other way around. I should have made the changes and then moved the file. Silly me.
Getting there slowly. Did I miss anything during my break?
I don't think so. Other my stream might be about to crash. Just for a second or two.
Finish. No, that was... Hallelujah. Okay. It opened up a command prompt. It's actually doing stuff.
There you go. What'd you do differently? Nothing?
Reinstalled CMake a different way, which I guess got it added the path to the environment.
Oh, okay.
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah, there you go.
Okay, this is exciting. I've got this now.
I did it at occlusion, okay.
What is this? Do I want to build the docks? I don't think so.
Okay, so first thing you want to do, is you want to hit configure.
Error in the configuration process.
So that'll make all the red go away. Yep, that'll make all the red go away.
Okay.
Project file.
Could not find
Gonna build
Pearl.
that.
Missing Pearl executable. Oh, that would be
Oh,
why. Okay.
that's where Pearl comes in. Okay, yeah. So go back to the dependencies, and you want to click on the strawberry Pearl link. So that's where it uses Pearl. I see. I didn't know that.
Oh, look at that.
See, chat. If you actually do everything it tells you, it works. Wow.
You actually read the documentation and follow it?
Oh, really? That's insane.
There we go.
What was I doing?
Too many windows. Nope. Too many windows. I've lost what I was actually trying to do. And now I have Python. What is Sphinx?
Sphinx is the documentation. You'll need that too.
Oh, it's a Python thing. Okay.
And despite my best judgment, I will turn close on escape back on by default. Despite my best judgment. Personally.
Do I have Chocolatey
Personally,
installed? Let's
I
find
think it should be
out.
off by default.
Whoops. I do have Chocolatey. Look at that. I just can't spell. Oh, this just got so much easier. I'm so sorry
I
about the
hope it did.
flashing on stream.
No, my thing that I hate is anytime an admin prompt shows up, it takes my Wii cursor away. I have to make it the Wii cursor again.
Oh, rude.
Because my mouse cursor is the Nintendo Wii cursor. Starting at the very beginning. It's a great place to start.
I'm so sorry about all of this.
What are the meanings of 1, 2, and 3? It's like show creature profession 0 through 3. 0 is off. What is the meanings of 1, 2, and 3? I have absolutely no idea. I can't find code that gives me any sort of good words to use. I just know the options is mod 4. I hate coding, he said.
I would have to agree. Strawberry pearl. Go.
This was 16 hours ago. I could have been working on this all day. There it is. Nope. Don't worry.
Oh, somebody's actually contributing channel points to the costume stream challenge. I don't know if that was a thing people actually, like, wanted. I just, like, threw it up there to try it. Apparently at least one person wants it. Emptied my whole account for it. Amazing. Okay, so in theory, I've actually done all of these.
In theory.
In theory. So if we hit configure here again.
Oh, Claiborne. I know Claiborne. We all know Claiborne. Claiborne's chill. What?
Okay, let's try closing that. Running that again.
Why?
Okay, and then we
Why the
configure.
hell does he make guys here? Go away, you other thingies.
Could not find Pearl, but I just installed it.
Did you add it to the path though?
That's a great question.
Because I bet you didn't. Why is chat not showing up on my screen? No wonder I can't see nobody. Like a skeleton in here.
Come on. Well, appears to be downloaded already. Yes, installing. Good. Okay, well, it did something.
Why that disappeared? I'm going to cry.
Okay. So then, maybe? No. Okay, it's very determined that I don't have
Right.
Pearl proper. Pearl executable not found.
Well, you downloaded it from the correct place.
I did. I actually followed the directions this time. Did I miss a step? Pearl 5, blah, 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 blah. Be sure to close and reopen any existing command. Oh, after updating your path. You already have a different version of Perl installed. You can run into some trouble. Okay, I don't think I probably have that, but I can close that. Try that. No. where would Strawberry Pearl install itself?
I have no idea.
Delightful.
Yep.
I love setting up new coding projects. It's so much fun.
Mm-hmm. It's so fun. Okay.
It is the most fun.
Wait, I'm view file. Copy content of this file. Select all, paste all, save. Oh, ain't no way the only thing I added was the tilde key. That's ludicrous. What? What?
Chocolatey will not amend the existing install. Okay, you may need to modify the installed version to include the work. Okay, so what if
That's more like it.
I close this, right? And run this? Okay, what do you say? Okay, no, you say the same thing. Can't find the Perl executable.
Cringe. Maybe it's looking in the wrong spot. See, this is why you gotta put
Probably.
everything on the C drive. Clearly.
I did put all of this on the C drive. Well, not this batch file, but I don't have stuff on my C drive because my C drive is running out of space. And it's a problem.
See, this is why you need 5 C drives. No.
Well, but that wouldn't solve the problem because then it would just be on a different drive and it wouldn't solve anything.
Yeah. Against my best judgment, we'll make it on by default. It feels so like the I don't know. Like we lost with the turning this on by default. Close on this, so you can close Stonesense by hitting escape. Everyone does it by accident. No one does it on purpose. But we have to leave it on by default. Because what if someone's not expecting the change and think it's broken? You know, there's a nice close window button.
Let's try that.
It pains me to do that. It just pains me. Oh, no. Why is it like that? No, I hate it when. Ugh.
Let's try this.
Why did the docks fail? I didn't move it. This is the wrong one. Never mind.
Just map a folder on your C drive to the D drive? You can do that? That sounds like some hacky nonsense
Old
to me.
mirror coming in clutch. Old mirror coming in clutch. Oh, pre-commit failed. That's fine. I love pre-commit
Oh,
fails. We
exciting.
will make
Okay.
out with the pre-commit fails. I can fix pre-commit issues. Easy. Just tell me what it is. White space? I bet it's white space. Railing white space. No, in the file. Oh. Oh, yeah. Let's fix that.
According to ChatGPT. Oh, well, now I don't trust it.
No, because that's make link. That actually does look like a command I've seen before.
Yeah, it does look
I mean,
legit.
take it with a grain of salt.
As an
Take
old
it
man with
all with
much
a grain of salt.
experience, you
But
young
still.
whippersnappers. Nah, it looks legit. I have worked on Linux for quite some time. Oh no, did I ruin everything? I may have ruined everything.
Yeah, ruined it all. We're doing it live. Look, it
Ruining
took me like a
everything live
day.
on stream.
No, it took me like a sleepless night.
Oh,
It took me
okay.
a sleepless night to get this working, so don't worry about it.
Okay. So there's that.
I'm going to cry. Why? Why is it failing again? I fixed the issue. Oh, now there's trailing white space, huh?
Nope. Perl executable still not found. Okay. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. Figure this out. We will figure this out.
All right. I need this to show me white space characters.
So I did this. Add Perl to.
Oh,
No, that's. Uh, this might work. Assuming I actually have a C Perl folder. We're gonna find out. Well, I don't, so that is part of the problem. Where did Strawberry Pearl install
everything's
itself?
wrong.
This is my question. Choco install, Strawberry Pearl. Go through this nonsense again.
He used Choco. I did it all manually because I'm insane clinically.
Yes, I do want to run the script. File is downloaded already. Okay, we're verifying, we're installing. Okay, wait. Oh no, come back. It closes itself. There's an error message and it closes itself. Why?
Fun times, fun times. Why? Why? Oh wait, did it not push? Why hasn't pushed yet?
Can I like do something like that? No, that's not it. Um,
Oh wait, GitHub
oops.
desktop.
Output. How do I? I just
Push origin.
okay. Can I do just like
yes, good old Stack Overflow.
Installing, and I need it to not automatically close the thing when it's done. Because I need to see what the error is. It's taking rather a long time. Why? I just, you know. Oh wow, it's just I ruined everything. Whoa, okay, there we go. The command prompt was hanging. Let's try that again. Oh wait, if I do print. Okay. Okay, we have an actual error message. It's not successful. Exit
What's the
code
error
was
message?
1603.
Why, that means nothing.
Was not successful. See log for details. Okay. Where's the log?
Where's the log? Yeah, where's the log?
Well, and now I. Attempting to install an app that's already installed. Okay. Can
Thank you for the
I
bits, Clay.
Choco uninstall?
Apparently, I hit a bit goal.
Oh, nice. Congratulations. Okay, I don't know
Oh,
if that was successful.
well, I don't know what my bit goal was. Yay. I can close this window.
Let's try that.
I feel sort of bad that like you're still trying to just get it working, and I'm over here knocking out my pull requests.
Cheer 1000 and here's your
Oh,
share.
Here's your
hey.
bits.
Thanks for the bits, Claiborne. That's exciting. I don't know if I had a bits goal, but that was probably all of it. That's exciting. Oh, I haven't had music going this entire time. Why is it not doing that? That's why it's weirdly quiet in here. Okay, maybe it's not uninstall. Is it remove? Oh, for the love of...
How did I manage that? What?
Yes, okay. I need docs. I want to know what the commands are. And then...
I just duplicated the line and I didn't remove the excellent. Um, Code development. I hate everything about code development. Why do I want to make this my job? I might be able to get 134 done. 130. If I could get 134 in as well, I'd be happy.
Oh my god, this is not what I want.
I love how I'm saying numbers and they mean nothing to you. By the way.
They, no, I'm afraid they don't.
Okay,
Let's try this once more. It's gotta be one of those words, right?
I added a couple new keybinds that could do things in this pull request that I'm also wanting to get merged.
I swear, if this just, like, doesn't work, I'm gonna give up trying to set things up for myself and just, like, watch what you're doing.
That'd be nice.
Ugh.
Yeah. not that I'm doing much. Yet, anyways. I feel like I'm not doing much.
Alright, well, while we're waiting for this nonsense, I imagine you're working in this repository for Stonesense. What pull request are you working on?
5 of them at once. Every one of them that's by me is what I'm working on. Most of them are. Oh god, there's
Okay,
8 pull requests.
that's
a
all
bigger
of them
number.
except one.
Let's see. Let me take a look at the actual like what pull requests are left. Smaller zoom increments should be fine. Merge glasses. Then 134. The new configs and keybind options. Is what I just poked at. Should be good to merge, probably. It just has the one thing I'm not too keen about with the what options are what are the other options? It's just genuinely I don't know what the other options are. They do different things, but I don't know how to describe them. I just know that if I tap the button twice, it sets it to the colored names, which I like. One of them shows the icons.
Okay. Fixes 87. What is this?
131. The 131 is our biggest issue. Figuring out why it crashes on resize is our largest issue we still haven't figured out yet.
Oh yeah, that was the thing that got me the other day.
You would be a god if you fix that.
Do we have error logs for that?
No, that's the problem. It doesn't throw an error log.
Amazing. It just crashes without any kind of... Okay.
It's just, yeah. There is error logging. And there's debug mode you can turn on, which creates stonesense.log. But it just hard crashes the game when it does it. We've narrowed it down to its like a possible race condition with Allegro.
Okay.
But like, and we can show you the code, the exact code, where it's at. But can't I just send you my solution file?
Probably.
I don't see why not. I mean, because I would just tell you how to build the solution file to match mine. I just gotta refine where I put it. Give me a moment. Now there lies the question of, will Discord let me send it? But it's only 105 kilobytes. I can send this to you. I don't know if it's all you need, but we can certainly try.
Certainly try.
There, try downloading this file, and it goes in the repo. Go into the build folder, Win64 VC, all caps VC 2022.
Project, yes, I'm aware. I'm assuming you haven't just sent me a horrible virus. That'd be hilarious. I work in security. I just opened a thing that a stranger on the internet sent me.
Yeah. I don't know how a solution file could do it. I'm not saying it can't, but I have no idea how it could.
Okay, well, I guess we're installing that now. Oh my lord. This is gonna take too long.
Is it working?
Apparently I don't have everything installed that oh my god, okay. Apparently I don't have everything installed that I need to, but of course we've now hit the problem where I've run out of space on my C drive. Empty the recycle bin. It's probably still not going to be enough space.
Yippee. Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Not account settings. Preferences. Where can I change where Visual Studio installs things? Because this is the reason I put it on the D drive, because I know I don't have space on the C drive. That should be under settings, right? You would think. That's not going to be... That's not account settings.
One would think.
One would think. Build, default text, extend window. Anyway, I have the code I can look at, I just can't do anything with it.
Yeah.
Which is frustrating. How much you want to bet a complete system shutdown and restart would just solve all my problems?
I mean, you'd have to end stream, but...
Yeah, I know, which I'm not going to do. I was going to... Actually, it's coming up on 10 o'clock for me, so I need to wrap up in the not-too-distant future anyway. It was a terribly productive stream.
All very productive. I mean, you got some of the progress done.
We love a good setup stream.
Oh, we can all point and laugh at number 132. Pull request. Specifically, the if you scroll down, you'll just see I have segment size X, Y, 70. Segment size is X, Y, 70. I just duplicated the line instead of making it segment size X and segment size Y. Oops.
Shut down all of this, because apparently that's not going to work for me anyway. Grumble, grumble, grumble. I'm going to close some of these 30 trillion windows.
So did the solution like do anything? Did it work?
Yeah. It looks
The
like it opened stuff, or like it downloaded properly and opened in Visual Studio.
well, that's good.
So
So
there's
let's
that at
go ahead and take
least.
a look at it because. Well, let's go take a look at this because that's all you need. Like that's all I have to open up. That is the solution file I sent you is what you were struggling to create. That's the step you were on.
Ah. Wait, so what's a solution? In technical terms, what is a solution file?
That's just it's just a project file. It's called a solution, I guess. I don't really know why it's called a solution. So you're gonna want to go scroll down to. Let's see how did they tell me to do this? I mean, you set it to do your Steam stuff, right? So you make predefined
Yeah.
targets, expand that folder, and there should be an install one. It's all caps install.
Mm-hmm. It says
Right click that and
unloaded.
build.
I click
I don't
that.
know if
This
that's
is
good or
probably
bad.
not gonna build because I don't have Perl and all that.
Well, we're
Oh,
gonna
install
try.
missing features. Right. And then this is the thing where it wants to install things on my C drive and I don't want it to. Okay, but I need to not install
If
it
it
on the C
fails,
drive. Okay, hang on.
so we're at the point where we just need more room on the C drive, and then it should work. Though
In theory, yes.
theory is the best.
Must uninstall the reasons in the download. Legends, really? Just the installation locations tab. In the download cache section, decide whether you want to keep the download cache, if so, where you want to store its files. Okay.
Like make suggestions. I hate that I like the suggestions I'm getting in this code because it's like, yes, that's so much better, but then I have to do the work. I have to actually do it.
Yeah.
Nah,
That
but it's
is
actually
how
really
that
good
works.
suggestion. It is actually really good suggestion.
Select it only when you first install Visual Studio. If you've already decided and want to change the location, you must uninstall Visual Studio and reinstall it. Oh my god.
That is BS. That is Omega BS.
Installed Visual Studio, you won't be able to change the shared components. Apparently I have to uninstall Visual Studio because I didn't do it right.
Yippee.
I believe this is an F my life moment.
But hey, once you get this, genuinely, once you get this working, this is the hardest step. Once you get this working, oh, it's just so easy. You click a button.
I believe you. I do believe you.
And you can run, there's more setup that's not documented, I don't think. But you can run it through the debugger in this. It wasn't too difficult. I vaguely remember how to do it. Vaguely.
Try the mapping a folder. Well, just thinking through the logistics of that, and if that would actually... if I map a folder on my C drive to my D drive...
Yeah. I'm hearing you out.
because I installed Visual Studio on my D drive, no problem. It's the fact that the folder where it downloads its stuff was still on the C drive. And so when it's trying to download like build tools and stuff, that's what was having problems.
And you can't change that?
Not without uninstalling and reinstalling, apparently.
That's BS.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh. I got a review. 134, that's this one.
So map that folder to a folder on D. Interesting, interesting. Okay. Well, if this doesn't work, I will do that. Because... Okay. So this this is my issue. Is that it wants to put these on the D drive or on the C drive. That is the issue. So you're saying I should just map these. Okay. Let's do that then. Sorry, you got a thing on your thing. You had a comment or something. And then I can... First time it's installed, so evidently I had this installed at some point. That's so freaking annoying. So I'm gonna have to map these. Okay. I'm gonna have to do some weird stuff.
These are good choices. Thingy.
And of course I can't copy those. That would be like useful or something.
Yeah, debug mode should probably be in the tilde, shouldn't it?
Oh, look at that. I have 2017 installed.
As opposed to 2022.
Anything actually in there? No, no, I don't. That's lies.
You love.
All right. Got our D folder. We need a new file explorer. We need program data.
Apparently, for this thing that's like 0 through 3 that I didn't know what did what. 1 appears to use sprite colors for profession. 2 appears to use ASCII colors for profession. Not 3 appears to use material dye colors from clothing.
Okay.
And it's specifically not equals 3. Apparently. This is like, I'm not sure you should expose this. Can't really tell what it's even intended to do. Okay. Cool, I'll take it out.
Okay, we're trying some magic.
I like magic. I'll definitely be able to sleep on this and Come back to have good
Need
stuff.
command prompt.
Better code.
Can I? It's like a sim
Oh
link,
yeah, a
right?
whole $3.
Oh, that's what I want.
Ew.
Pointing to a directory. Okay. So it should be mlink /d.
And my ads are about to start in 40 seconds. Apologies for the ads, chat.
Program data, Microsoft. Studio. Let's spell that right. Studio. Packages. To D drive. Microsoft Visual Studio. Where did I put it? It's that one. Okay, but that's that one. This one. Okay. What do you mean mlink is not recognized?
Exactly that. Emily's not recognized.
Oh, it's make link. It's make link. It's not mlink. It's
No.
mk link. Oh.
Right,
I
make
misread.
link. No, yeah,
Make link. Make link.
Now that makes sense. I remember now. Like, I half
Not
remember.
create a file when that file already exists.
Yippee.
This is painful.
I honestly wonder if anyone's ever gonna like subscribe to my Patreon. I just have it. I don't have anything for it yet.
You know what? This is too painful to deal with at 10 o'clock at night. I'm gonna put things back how they were, and this is another time problem. I'd say it's a tomorrow problem, but I don't have time for it tomorrow. We're gonna put that. Oops, we're gonna take that. Oh wait, that was a copy. That was a full-on copy. Okay, I can just delete that then. It's fine. All right, I'm gonna stop messing with it. My head hurts, and this is a mess, and I hate everything.
I feel that.
It's a mess, and I hate everything. Maybe I can just clear space on my C drive, and then I don't have to deal with this mess. I'm angry, and I can't even get my tab to go back where I want it.
I have no idea where I put the script. I think the script is gone. Gosh darn it. Luckily, I didn't delete it.
angry. Grumble, grumble, grumble. It's fine. And by fine, I mean it's
15
gonna irritate me.
martinis. Double martinis. You know, just a small amount of alcohol.
Grumble, grumble, grumble. That's what I have to say. Well, this was remarkably unproductive. I apologize. But thanks for the direction and keeping me company. No, I guess I should probably properly end the stream here. I don't have a just chatting
If you want, you can
screen.
go ahead and raid me. I'm gonna keep going a little bit.
Yeah, let's do that.
Oh, you closed the stuff, which means the shared chat ended. I was like, why? Is the
Oh,
shared chat?
No, I didn't close anything.
Well, the shared chat ended. I don't know how or why.
Yeah, it did. Why did it do that? I don't understand why things work. I didn't close those windows there. They're still open.
Alright, I'll refresh on my end. Who knows?
I don't know. Anyway, I'm wrapping
Well,
up anyway,
it's
so I don't
fine
think
if-
it doesn't.
Yeah, if you want to raid into me, I'm probably gonna keep going. I might have code, but I'll do Dwarf Fortress for gaming.
Alright. Saying the things in my chat and realizing I don't have a screen where it's just me talking to chat. Socials. I have those. There's a Discord. It's there. Sorry, chat. I'm tired and frustrated. There's links. Thanks, everybody, for the follows, for the subs, for the bits. That's crazy. Anyway, the stream was successful even if the coding wasn't. I'll be back on Friday for just playing some regular Dwarf Fortress, 3 p.m. Eastern. And yeah, we'll go raid. We'll raid out to Squid's channel. Where are you?
Where?
There we go.
Is.
And then I'll run some credits. Thank you everybody for hanging out, and I'll see you on Friday at 3 p.m. Eastern for just regular old Dwarf Fortress. Bye everybody.